Welcome to Softhult, where innovation meets excellence.
Vision. At Softhult, our vision is clear: to empower businesses with cutting-edge solutions, fostering a world where technology seamlessly enhances every aspect of daily operations.
The problem we solve. In today's fast-paced world, businesses face a myriad of challenges. Softhult is here to simplify the complex, providing solutions that alleviate your pain points and propel your business forward.
Company values. Our values define us. We believe in integrity, innovation, and collaboration. At Softhult, we are not just a company, we are a community working together to create a lasting impact.
Our roadmaps. Embarking on a journey of continuous improvement, our roadmaps outline the path to success. With a commitment to staying ahead in technology trends, we pave the way for your business to thrive.
Chart analytics. Data is the heartbeat of your business. Through insightful analytics and visualizations, Softhult transforms raw data into actionable insights, empowering you to make informed decisions with confidence.
Our services. Softhult offers a suite of services tailored to meet your unique needs. From custom software development to cloud solutions, our experts are dedicated to delivering excellence at every step.
Pricing plans. We understand that every business is different. Our flexible pricing plans ensure that you get the solutions you need without breaking the bank. Let's grow together without compromising your budget.
Client success stories. The success of our clients is our success. Hear firsthand how Softhult has transformed businesses, creating success stories that inspire and motivate.
Let's get in touch. Ready to take your business to new heights? Connect with us today, and let Softhult be the catalyst for your success. Visit our website, give us a call, or drop us an email. We're here for you. Softhult, where innovation begins and success follows.